In my recent post, somebody requested for video editing apps that you can use that doesn't cost you much. So here are 5 video editing apps that you can use on your smartphone that is cost efficient, and even some are totally free that you can use on your smartphone to edit videos as a beginner, or you just want to play with your skill and get something out as a video editor. So the first one, which I ranked as number 5, is VLLO. As you can see, this VLLO, you can remove watermark of that app. Extensive use of pip. Pip is something that comes up, overlay as a video. When you have a video, what you want to bring in, maybe a sticker, another video entirely. Like you can see in videos when people request for call to actions, like click here, do this, like this kind of thing that pop up now, like this, subscribe, that you can click or that you can use as a prompt to take an action, is what we know as pip, a video or another thing that you can add to your video. So it can give you access to copyright free music, over 1,000 copyright free music, regular assets, stickers that you can add, special effects, Chroma-key. As you can see, color separation can be done using this app. Now, the one I rank as number 4 is VN Video Editor and Video Maker. So this one, you can enhance your photo, resolution can be adjusted, text template and stickers can be added to your video. Speed curve, like if you want your video that you've recorded to be fast at some parts to move in slow motion, so you drag the curve as you like. You have easy to use sounds on this app, keyframe animation, auto captions, removing of background can be done on this app. So I'm going to the third one, which is VLLO Video Editor. So this one, you can adjust your video quality, you can track edits. So the fourth one, which I rank as second, is InShot. It is the exact app I am using. So this one, you have access to remove the watermark of InShot, and you can be using it completely free forever. But if you want some advanced transition and text effect, you can subscribe for the premium. As for me, I'm still using the free version. It's giving me the result I want. The only limitation there is that you won't use special features. So this app, you can apply transition. I love it. You can apply transitions and all of that in this app. You can add animated sticker. Even what you are saying, you can add it as a text subtitle to your video, and that is what auto captions. You can add auto captions to your video using it. And the last one is KineMaster. This app is also very good, and I can say a very close editing app to professional video editing softwares. So incredible transitions and all of that can be added to your video. Background removing also is available on this app. So please, if you gain 1 or 2 things in this video, kindly subscribe, like this video and share with people that need it. So the 5 apps that I've shared so far is VLLO, VN Video Editor, Viva Video, InShot and KineMaster. And all the links to download these apps is available in the description below.